A beautiful day. A man sitting behind a window and looking at sky and looking the sceneries of what he was passing by on his train journey. While looking at the nature and deep in his thoughts, a man approached and said, "Namaste. You are Swami Vivekananda, am I right?" And the person looked at him and said with a smile, "Yes, I am." And they both started having a conversation. After a few minutes, the conversation was going. The person asked, "I am lacking of something. I can't understand what I am lacking. The most of the Indians are also lacking these days. Actually, the most old are lacking. The men are lacking certain thing. What is it, Swami? What is it? Can you explain me or give me some guidance?" Well, Swami Vivekananda was give a quote because the train was about to arrive its destination. So Swami Vivekananda quote something like this. Let me read it for. Unfortunately, it is has nearly vanished from India, and this is why we are in our present state. What makes the difference between a man and a man is the difference in this Shraddha and nothing else. What makes a man great and another weak and low is this Shraddha. This Shraddha must enter into you. After this, the person was in a blank state. He said, "Huh?" with a blank face, unable to predict or understand what he says. And naturally, Swami Vivekananda had arrived his railway station, the destiny he wants to drop. So he dropped. But the question was still continued. While few people read this quote and always think what was Swami Vivekananda was trying to explain. This is where usually I enter. This channel is about explaining the quotes, so I'm gonna explain it. So before explaining this, let me give you some small information. Well, you don't gonna have any B-rolls in this my videos. If you're new, then you may not know that I don't use B-rolls. So there is only gonna be a lines of sound. So close your eyes and start your imagination, because you are just have to imagine what I am trying to explain. Visualization is important, but if you are driving, then do not do this. Okay. So now let us decode the code. First of all, Shraddha. Shraddha has several meanings, but in this context, Swami Vivekananda is talking about concentration. We must have a very focused and concentration mind, because the concentration decides what our life is. Let us say your thoughts defines what you are, and how your thoughts gonna work with the help of concentration. Let me give you with a simpler way. See, your mind must be controlled by you so that you can think what you want to think without losing focus. For that, you need to have a willpower. But how is this connected? Let me explain you in a simpler way. Let us take a water. Water is like our concentration. It always flows, and wind are like our thoughts. It just make waves of big without having any sense. But if we have the willpower of earth, the earth directs water with a valley where people drink the water and they lose their thirst. In the same way, if we must channelize the concentration in a right path, and this is what makes the others different. See, if you are in a school age or in your school days, you must know there is a first ranker and there is a last ranker. What makes a first ranker is great and the second last ranker is low? Scores. And how the scores are counted? By what he reads. And how the two persons gonna read? Absolutely, the concentration. See, the first ranker has more concentration in studies, but maybe the last ranker may have a good concentration while playing soccer. Concentration needs in every way. So this is what making happy the people. The men are losing their concentration, focus, and going into a nonsense things. it may be a pornography, it may be a girls, it may be a useless Netflix, Amazon Prime web series, goes on like that. We have the focus. If you watch a movie, you can say that I watched a movie for 3 hours and I even forgot to pee, I forgot to drink water, I forgot to eat. You have the concentration, but you are using in a wrong way, in a wrong place. If you can channelize in a right place, then you can be the highest man. So this is what making a man and a man different, and people are losing their focus and spending their most of the time in useless things. Now, if you are watching up to this now, you may definitely want to know how to increase your Shraddha or concentration. Let me give you a simple tip which I mostly use. Let us say you are trying to solve a mathematical equation. Take a 10 minutes and try to focus only on that. If you are having any random thoughts, just ignore it. Just try to solve the question. Today you may have failed several times in the 10 minutes, but you have tried to end. After 1 week, definitely you will have developed the concentration. In the 10 minutes, you can only focus on the mathematics. In the same way, you have to increase 15 minutes, 20 minutes. See, every day just spending a 5-10 minutes on focusing what you are doing and just channelizing in a one point is a simple exercise which gonna give you a beautiful results in after a few days or months. Remember, there is no such string of 60 seconds and a 1 minute trip where you can develop your concentration. That doesn't work. Concentration must developed by each and every single day. It through maybe a meditation, it through maybe a mantra chanting, it through maybe this kind of exercises. What you must do is you just have to focus on what are you doing at that moment. If you are eating, when you are chewing, try to guess what you are eating. Is it spicy items? What are the food? Tomato, garlic, what are you eating? Guess it. If you are in that present moment, then you will have the concentration also. So if you understand what I'm trying to say, which I'm trying to explain in a very simple way, then you may master the concentration skill. Anyways, this is a growing channel, and if you give me your feedback or your suggestions, this channel will grow with the help of you. And if you find my content useful, then please do comment below that so that algorithm can kick up. And if you find that there is some more better way to explain this, so please comment that also. And let me say, watch other videos also, learn how to focus and channelize in a right path. And I have already made a certain videos you can check out for more development. So this is Codex